Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take the background of a subject. If you're ready, let's begin. Open up your file in Photoshop. And once you have it open in Photoshop, the first thing we're going to do is make a copy of our original file so we don't destroy the original, just in case we need to go back. So the tool that we are going to use is called the quick select tool, and we are going to select subject. And once you hit that, it's just going to generate for you an outline. If you hit Q on your keyboard, you see that this area is still not selected and the bow area is still showing. So what we're going to do is we're going to press again Q to go back to the original, and we are going to use our add to select or subtract from selection so that we can narrow down our defined boundary. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in. And we're just going to click in this area. So we sort of deselect the areas that we don't need. And then we try to get as close as we can. And we do the same thing for this area. So you can see that there's still some few areas that we need to clean up. So now I'm going to choose the subtract, but then reduce my brush head so I can really get rid of the areas that I want to trim off. So we gently just try and bring this in, and you can reduce or increase the brush head to get to the fine details that you want. So this is fairly good. You can see that as you zoom in, there are a few areas that we still need to touch up. Like here, we want to bring this out a little. So now that we have this area cleaned up, after we've selected around our subject, we are going to create a mask. So we're going to put a background around it. We're just going to create a layer, a new layer, and pull that layer beneath the working file. And we're just going to name that background. We're just going to name it new background. And we're just going to choose a color, any color that we want. Let's say even a purple. And we're just going to paint the background. So once we do that, we can zoom in and begin to see how our image looks. If we want to clean up the hair area a little, we can use our clone stamp tool to just select an area and just touch it up. We can duplicate our background and even change this color and have another background. So you're basically done. You can do another background and actually have a white background. This is basically how to get rid of the background of your subject. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial was very helpful. If this is something that you will be able to use in your creative design, please like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell so that anytime I post another tip, you will be notified.